How to add translation in WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to a page where you can view the chat list. Open any chat from the list. Then, tap on the chat box at the bottom panel. Now type in a message, and then tap on the message. As you can see, a short menu bar will appear. Tap on the option Select All to select the whole text. Then, another menu will appear, and from here, tap on the arrow sign and tap on the option Translate. It will take you to this page where you need to choose in which language you want your message to be translated. The default setting here is selected to French. You need to tap on this option to change language, and then go through the options and select your preferred language. So, by following these steps, you can easily add translation in WhatsApp.